In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your PayPal account on an iPhone. If you've decided it's time to move on from PayPal, I'll walk you through the exact screens you'll tap in the iOS app, and I'll point out a few things to be aware of along the way. Closing an account is permanent for that specific profile. You'll lose access to your transaction history in the app, and you won't be able to send or receive money with it. If there's a remaining balance, pending payments, open disputes, or active subscriptions, PayPal may require you to resolve those first before the close option becomes available. Start by opening the PayPal app on your iPhone and make sure you're logged in. If the app asks for Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, go ahead and verify so you land on your main home screen. From the home screen, look to the top right corner and tap your profile picture. This opens your account area where you can view personal details and preferences. On the profile page, tap the Settings icon, the small gear you'll see near the top. Settings is where PayPal keeps account controls, security options, and privacy tools, including the option to close your account. Inside Settings, locate Close Your Account. Depending on your app version, this may appear toward the bottom of the account section. Tap Close Your Account and the app will display a confirmation page. Take a moment to read this screen carefully. It typically outlines what closing means for your access, any remaining funds, and reminders about linked cards or bank accounts. If something needs attention, the app will highlight it here. When you're ready to proceed, tap Close Account to confirm. After you confirm, the app will process the request. In most cases, this is quick, but it can take longer if there were recent transactions or reviews in progress. Once complete, you'll be signed out and your account will be closed. A few final tips to keep things smooth. If you need records for taxes or budgeting, consider downloading statements beforehand from the Reports or Activities section on a desktop browser. If you used PayPal for recurring payments, check with those services to set up a different payment method, since those charges will no longer process. And if you don't see the close option, it usually means there's an item to resolve first, like a pending refund or a limited account review. That's it. You've learned how to close your PayPal account on an iPhone, confidently and correctly.